Did you know your kidneys quietly filter over 150 liters of blood every day, removing toxins, balancing minerals, and keeping your body alive? Yet millions of people damage these vital organs without realizing it until it's too late. But here's the good news. Kidney damage can often be prevented and even reversed through the right habits, foods, and natural remedies. In today's video, we'll uncover how to protect your kidneys, what foods to eat and avoid, and the best herbs and supplements that can naturally support kidney repair. So watch till the end. What are the common causes of kidney damage? Kidney problems rarely appear overnight. They develop silently over time. Here are the most common culprits that weaken kidney function. High blood pressure, hypertension. When blood pressure stays high, it damages the delicate blood vessels in your kidneys. Over time, this reduces their filtering ability. Uncontrolled diabetes. Excess sugar in the blood injures kidney tissues, leading to diabetic. Nephropathy, one of the leading causes of kidney failure. Overuse of painkillers, NSAIDs. Regular use of pain relief tablets like ibuprofen, aspirin, or diclofenac can strain your kidneys and reduce blood flow to them. Dehydration. Not drinking enough water thickens your blood and forces kidneys to work harder to remove waste. High salt intake. Too much salt causes fluid retention, high blood pressure, and kidney stress. Junk food and sugary drinks. Processed snacks and sodas increase inflammation and acidity, which harm kidney cells over time. Alcohol and smoking. Both reduce kidney blood flow and interfere with toxin filtration. Lack of sleep and sedentary lifestyle. When your body doesn't rest or move enough, it slows down. Metabolism and toxin removal, adding more load on the kidneys. How to prevent kidney disease. Protecting your kidneys is easier than you think. A few simple changes can make a huge difference. Stay hydrated, but don't overdo it. Drink 8-10 glasses of water daily unless restricted by your doctor. Water helps flush out toxins and prevent stones, but drinking too. Much water can overwork weak kidneys, so listen to your body. Control blood sugar and blood pressure. If you're diabetic or hypertensive, check your levels regularly. Controlled sugar and pressure are the kidney's best friends. Avoid unnecessary painkillers. Use natural remedies for pain like turmeric, hot compress, or rest, whenever possible. Don't ignore urine changes. Foamy, dark, or frequent urination can signal kidney stress. Get checked early. Get enough sleep and exercise. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep and at least 30 minutes of brisk walking. Daily. Exercise improves blood flow and reduces toxins naturally. Avoid following types of food. 1. Reduce sodium. High sodium foods can raise blood pressure and cause fluid retention, causing the kidneys to have to work harder. Limit pickles, chips, processed foods, canned goods, and salt-laden snacks to lower your sodium intake. 2. Watch potassium. When kidneys aren't functioning well, they can't remove excess potassium, leading to high levels that can cause muscle cramps and heart problems. High potassium foods like bananas, oranges, and potatoes should be consumed with caution. A phosphorus level. Beverages. Phosphorus intake should be limited. Phosphorus binds with calcium in your blood, lowering calcium levels. This forces your body to pull calcium out of your bones, making them weak and brittle. Processed meats like ham and hot dogs, drinks like chocolate drinks, colas, and certain bottled teas can contribute to increased phosphorus, leading to calcification and inflammation. High-fat dairy. Limit intake dairy products as they contain high levels of phosphorus, which can be harmful in kidney disease. Alternatives include almond or rice milk. 4. Limit added sugar. Aim for less than 10% of your daily calories from added sugars by choosing foods with little or no sugar. 5. Nuts and seeds. While healthy for most, they contain high levels of potassium and phosphorus, which can be problematic for kidney health. 6. Too much protein. Excess red meat or protein powders overwork the kidneys. Moderation is key. What to eat for strong kidneys. A kidney-friendly diet can protect, cleanse, and even repair mild damage. Here's what to include. Best foods for kidney health. Number 1, cranberries and blueberries. Powerful antioxidants that prevent urinary tract infections and protect kidney cells from inflammation. Number 2, red bell peppers are low in potassium but rich in vitamin C and A, ideal for kidney-friendly meals. Number 3, garlic and onion reduce inflammation and lower cholesterol, keeping blood clean and pressure controlled. Number 4, cauliflower and cabbage are detoxifying vegetables packed with fiber and vitamin K, easy on the kidneys. Number 5, pomegranate. It improves heart health and helps in controlling blood sugar and cholesterol. Number 6, lemon water helps prevent kidney stones and supports toxin removal. Number 7, olive oil and omega-3 sources like flax seeds or walnuts reduce inflammation and protect kidney blood vessels. Number 8, whole grains in moderation. Brown rice, oats, and barley support energy and digestion without burdening the kidneys. Natural supplements and herbs for kidney protection and repair. Nature has provided powerful healing plants and nutrients that can help cleanse, protect, and even support the repair of kidney tissues. Number 1, Punarnava, Boerhaavia diffusa, the Ayurvedic kidney cleanser. It helps the body flush out excess fluid, reduces swelling in legs, and removes accumulated toxins. How to take. It can be taken in 3 ways. Punarnava powder, churna. 1 teaspoon, about 3 grams, once or twice a day with warm water. Punarnava tablets or capsules. 250-500 ml twice daily after meals. Punarnava tea. Boil 1 teaspoon of dried Punarnava roots in 1 cup of water for 5 minutes. Drink once daily. Tip: best taken in the morning on an empty stomach for detox and kidney cleansing. Number 2, Gokshura, Tribulus terrestris, the urinary tract protector. Gokshura is known for preventing kidney stones and supporting healthy urine flow. It also strengthens bladder muscles and reduces inflammation in the urinary tract. How to take. Powder form. 1 teaspoon, 3 grams, mixed in warm water or honey once a day. Capsules. 250-500 mg twice a day after meals. Gokshura tea. Add 1 teaspoon of dried fruit powder to boiling water, steep for 5 to 7 minutes, and drink warm. Tip: drink plenty of water along with Gokshura to enhance its cleansing effect. Number 3, dandelion root, the natural detoxifier. Dandelion root acts as a gentle diuretic. It helps your kidneys flush out waste, salt, and excess water naturally. It's also rich in potassium and antioxidants that protect kidney cells from oxidative stress. How to take? Dandelion tea. Add 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried root to 1 cup boiling water, steep 10 minutes, and drink once or twice daily. Capsules or extract, 500 mg capsule or 1 to 2 milliliter tincture, twice daily. Tip: drink dandelion tea in the morning to support detox and in the evening to reduce bloating or water retention. Number 4, nettle leaf, stinging nettle, the kidney shield. Nettle leaf supports the kidneys by reducing inflammation and gently increasing urine output. How to take. Nettle tea. Add 1 tablespoon of dried nettle leaves to 1 cup boiling water, steep for 5 to 10 minutes, and drink 1 to 2 cups daily. Capsules, 400-600 mg once or twice daily. Number 5, cranberry extract or juice, the infection fighter. Cranberries prevent bacteria from sticking to the urinary tract walls, reducing the risk of infections that can harm the kidneys. How to take. Unsweetened cranberry juice, 1 glass, about 200 ml daily. Avoid sweetened versions. Cranberry capsules, 300-400 ml twice a day. Tip: if you are prone to urinary tract infections, make cranberry a daily habit. It keeps your urinary system clean and infection-free. Number 6, turmeric, curcumin, the inflammation healer. Turmeric is one of the best natural anti-inflammatories. It helps reduce internal inflammation that can lead to chronic kidney disease. How to take. Turmeric milk. Mix 1 or 2 teaspoon turmeric powder in warm milk, dairy or plant-based, and drink once daily. Curcumin capsules, 500, 1000 Boggendaumer daily, preferably with black pepper extract for better absorption. Tip: turmeric works best with healthy fats. Take it with milk, olive oil, or ghee. Number 7. Omega-3. Fatty acids, the kidney protector. Omega-3s from fish oil or plant sources like flaxseed help reduce kidney inflammation and control blood pressure. How to take: fish oil capsules, 1000 million once or twice daily after meals. Flaxseed powder, 1 tablespoon per day in smoothies, curd, or salads. Chia seeds, soak 1 tablespoon in water overnight and drink in the morning. Tip: regular intake helps prevent diabetic and hypertensive kidney damage. Number 8. Vitamins and minerals for kidney support. Certain vitamins and minerals also play a crucial role in kidney health. Vitamin B6. It helps prevent kidney stones, 50 mg to be taken once daily. Magnesium. It prevents calcium buildup in kidneys, 200-400 mg daily. Potassium citrate. It helps reduce stone formation, only under doctor's advice if kidney function is normal. Pro tip: create a kidney support routine. Morning: warm lemon water plus punarnava or nettle tea. Afternoon: fresh salad with olive oil plus cranberry juice. Night: turmeric milk or curcumin capsule after dinner. This gentle daily routine supports detox, prevents inflammation, and keeps your kidneys performing at their best. Important safety notes: always consult your doctor before starting herbs if you have chronic kidney disease, are on medications, or have diabetes, high BP. Always get your mineral levels checked before supplementing. Too much potassium or magnesium can be risky if kidneys are weak. Lifestyle and home habits for kidney health. Number 1. Keep active. Exercise improves blood circulation and lowers the risk of diabetes and hypertension. Number 2. Avoid stress. Stress hormones raise blood pressure and indirectly strain the kidneys. Practice meditation or deep breathing daily. Number 3. Limit alcohol and quit smoking. These directly damage kidney cells and reduce oxygen supply to tissues. Number 4. Avoid holding urine. Holding urine for too long increases infection risk and bladder pressure on kidneys. Number 5. Detox naturally. Drink warm lemon water in the morning. Include herbal teas like dandelion or green tea, and reduce refined sugar intake. Can kidneys heal naturally? Yes, to a certain extent. Early-stage kidney damage can be partially reversed if you remove the cause and nourish your body properly. If you have diabetes or high blood pressure, control them strictly. Stay hydrated but avoid overhydration. Eat anti-inflammatory foods like turmeric, garlic, and berries. Take natural herbs that support kidney regeneration, such as punarnava and nettle leaf. Give your body rest. Healing takes time and consistency. Remember, your kidneys can heal only when the toxic load is reduced and nutrient support is increased. Your kidneys are silent heroes. They work day and night to keep you alive. Don't wait for symptoms to appear before caring for them. Start today. Eat fresh and natural. Avoid excess salt, sugar, and painkillers. Stay hydrated and support your kidneys with healing herbs and balanced lifestyle habits. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, share it with someone who needs it, and don't forget to subscribe for more life-saving health content.